Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is your friend Jawad out of Saskatchewan. I'm bringing you a new unboxing video of something which I got on this Thanksgiving sale. So it came in a box like this, just like this. It came in a box like this. You already saw a sticker, probably you know what it is, but I don't know. I'm gonna show you just now you're gonna see. So what it has, wow, something, batteries or camera or something. Yeah, well, let's see. Open. I already cut this up, so, and let's put it away. Okay, well, I got Hero 9 GoPro. So let's open it. Well, what I got is GoPro Hero 9. It's accessories included in it is GoPro stick, I guess, mounting a magnetic clip, extra battery, and 6 or 32 GB hard SD card or micro SD card. Plus I bought this 64 GB card for the half price. So I'll put that away, and let's see what's in here. So GoPro Hero 9. So I make videos, trucking videos and other product videos and stuff like that. So I just decided to go with GoPro because I thought I think it's about time, because I've been making a lot of videos through my camera, through my phone, and through my phone, which is great, which is a great camera. Note 10 Plus of a beautiful camera, but it's not a dedicated camera and the phone is too expensive. So here you go with unboxing. So that is seal you have to break, I guess, and then you open this. Box come out and the box go away over to that side. And so first impression, wow, that's a nice pouch, I would say, and it's like a durable one. That's nice. We'll open this. Oh, look at this. That is nicely tucked. Everything is nicely tucked. I like that. I like how things, look so nice in here. Like you don't want to take it out at all. Like you don't want to take it out, I guess. So on the side of the pouch here is your instruction manual, I believe, and here is a 32 GB card, I guess, and this is your I guess that's a sticker. Wow, here we go. We got a GoPro sticker. That'll be going on my truck. Thanks GoPro for the sticker. I guess I spent $500. You should send few more, but anyway, this is I already subscribed to the GoPro, but that's a GoPro, subscription. Have a product question, so this book would tell you, blah blah blah, whatever, right? So let's check out the other stuff we got. So I guess you guys already know this is the GoPro stick, I guess, and this is a floating stick. Like, you won't lose it in the water; it would float on top. Your camera won't go in, I guess. That's what I heard. So, other thing it has these thumb screws. It came up with one of these, I think, a little curved sticky ones. I think it's for the helmet or the curved places. And then we have this. I don't even know the name of this. I'm so new to this system, because what happened is I'm not familiar with this camera at all. So hopefully I'll get myself familiar with it soon. This already is exciting just to see these things in here. And here is the charging cable, I guess. Here's a cable in here, and it came with this magnetic clip. All right, this looks good. So probably this could do probably a lot of stuff here. Right here with this stuff, you can do a lot. So, well, that is something really nice. Then we have, it came with extra battery. We got two. And finally, we have a camera in here, which should be coming out. Come on. Okay. Here we go. We don't need these stuff. So this is the camera, guys. Right here. This is GoPro Hero 9. So okay. Well, let's open now. I guess that's how you open it. You have to, there's a latch here, you have to bring it down and then go up. It opens. Let's put the battery in and see if this has any juice in it. Let's, it's not going in. Must be this is. I think this is the way it goes in. So we went in and oh, there you go. Here it is. Yeah. You guys probably can see me right now. Yeah. You guys see this? Okay, guys, that's all for this video. I'll let you know in the next video that how my experience with this camera is. I've been using my cell phone camera for a very long time, plus I have GH5, which I use it a lot too. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one. If you like the video, please consider subscribing the video. That will help my channel grow. Thank you very much. You have a great day.